Apple iPhones are like best friends to their fans, right? But if they break, suddenly they're more like a heartache than a soulmate. And official Apple repairs aren't known for being budget-friendly. They've made it pretty clear they don't want us fixing things ourselves. But with the iPhone 16 coming soon, that whole story might have a surprising twist. Apple's taken a lot of heat for their whole "we control your repairs" attitude. They've been slammed for everything from voiding warranties to messing with features like True Tone after screen replacements. And don't get me started on what happens to your battery health stats. Fans have been beyond frustrated, accusing Apple of being more interested in lining their pockets than helping their customers. After all, whether we pay for expensive repairs or buy a new iPhone, Apple comes out on top. But there's more to this story than just Apple being a bit of a control freak. There's a technical side to things that I'll explain at the end of the video. For now, let's focus on the good news. Apple has officially announced that they're welcoming third-party repairs back into the fold. That means you can get your screen replaced by a non-Apple technician without losing True Tone. And you can swap out your battery without messing up your battery metrics. But things might not work exactly the same way as they did before the repair. And that's where the technical side comes in. Think of it like this. Apple's hardware and software are made for each other. That's why True Tone works so well with their displays. Apple's saying it'll still be there after third-party repairs, but it might not be as accurate. You can always turn it off in settings, though. It's a similar situation with battery replacements. Apple won't disable battery metrics anymore, but they've made it clear they can't verify third-party batteries, because these batteries often use cheaper materials or are just old batteries dressed up as new. So those metrics might show up, but they won't be reliable. I've been an Apple critic in the past, but I'll say this move is a welcome change for us users. But on the flip side, verifying authenticity might be trickier after this. I'm sure Apple will have a solution for that. And we still don't know if this third-party repair access is for all iPhones or just the new 16 series. Time will tell. Subscribe to stay updated on the latest iPhone 16 leaks. This is Techtics, signing off for now.